Welcome to the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD pickup truck, powered by the 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission. The truck is an LTZ trim level. Coming to the front right away, we have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, LTZ front grille with the color-matched grille, Z71 badging, fog lights, recovery hooks, parking sensors, all up front. Making our way back down the side, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. Those beautiful blacked out alloy wheels, tow mirrors, foldable and extendable, 3500 HD badging. Coming down the side, tinted privacy windows. We have running boards as well. Coming to the back of the truck, color matched rear bumper, trailer tow package, LED brake lights as well. Backup camera, all the trailer packages, LTZ badging. Beautiful big black truck, Duramax powered, Z71 package, Recaro shocks all around. Beautiful truck. Any questions or concerns or comments, please contact our sales team.